Dumpster rental service in Batesville, Indiana. Managing waste can be challenging, but cleanup becomes effortless with our dumpster rental service in Batesville, Indiana. At Arch Waste and Recycle, we provide top-quality roll-off dumpsters that help homeowners and businesses efficiently remove waste. Whether you're remodeling your home, cleaning out an estate, or overseeing a construction project, we have the perfect dumpster. Our rental process is designed to be quick and easy. Simply schedule a delivery, fill the dumpster at your convenience, and we'll haul it away when you're done. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project, big or small. Our team will help you choose the best option based on your waste volume and type. Our dumpsters are sturdy and spacious and capable of handling construction debris, yard waste, household junk, and more. At Arch Waste and Recycle, we prioritize customer satisfaction and transparent pricing. You won't have to worry about hidden fees, just straightforward rates that fit your budget. We are also committed to environmentally responsible waste disposal. Whenever possible, we recycle materials to minimize landfill waste and contribute to a cleaner community. Call Arch Waste and Recycle today at 812-758-7274. If you need a dependable dumpster rental in Batesville, let us handle the waste while you focus on your project.